Hey, hi, good evening. Abhishek here. This is the second day of my challenge where 10K से 1 crore का सफ़र. So this is the challenge and welcome to Trade Pathshala with Abhishek. So on Monday we have made a profit of 1800 with a capital of almost 10,000, 18% return. Today we made a profit. Today our target was sorry, this is it. Yeah. So today target was 1110%, but we made around 15%. So good day in terms of returns. Okay, so in 2 day we have made a profit 3600. Our starting capital was 10,000. Okay, so let me show you the back office so that everything's neat, very transparent because anyone can show in Excel. Yeah. So guys, this is Parul Jain, my wife. I trade on her account. The challenge is happening on her account only. Okay. So financial ledger we will open. Right. Let me make it. Uh, we started a challenge on July, August. Okay. So guys, we have started our challenge on 9th of August, right? Okay. So you can see our capital was 9,000, right? Then there is some FSTT, there are some charges 203. Then this is a contact note, then again a contact note. So I have shown you this 2859 profit, that is net on net 1800 after deducting all the STT and all those things. So this is 382 today. You can see the date, 11. So 382 is the charges that I have paid for some FSTT, security transaction charges, maybe tax. Okay, so let's open the this contract note. You can see the trades I have taken. Okay, so gross profit was 3133. Okay, from that we had deducted stamp duty, transaction charges 808, SEBI fees, and I think that's it. So net on net, what we have made is 2155. Okay, this doesn't include security transaction taxes. I think STT. Okay, so 2155. I'll write it down. 2155.6. Okay, now just get back. Minus this. Okay, this is also debit balance 382 charges because it doesn't include charges in that. Minus 382. So 1873 is what we have got. 1873, right? I think we have done it right or not. Okay, 382 it is, minus 100 more, 1773. Okay, so 1790. uh, my final capital is 13429, and here it is. Okay, it's wrong, it's wrong. So I'll write it down this 1773. I'll rounding off 3 to 4. Okay, right, 430, and here is okay, right, now it's good. So guys, 15% profit today. I think it's a very decent profit. I'm targeting 10% every day until unless I'm reaching 1 lakh. After that, I'll reduce my daily target to 5%. So this is it from my side, guys. I trade. This is my very advanced chart that I load. Guys, believe me, this is something that I have worked upon year on year. Okay, so this analysis is very special. I mean, you will not find anywhere. Even this kind of chart, you will get after paying 50,000. And but I have a ninja technique, or you can say some self-learned method where you can you know get access to such advanced charting system where you get to know everything. Let me just 1 minute. Wait. Okay, guys, these are the levels where I do my scalping trades, and these level works so well, so fucking well. I have planned my chart for next day. So next day, these will be the level where I will be posting my, taking my trade, taking my scalping trades. Okay, guys, this is it from my side. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the story that I'm going to write, converting 10,000 into 1 crore. I know it's a very, very, very big deal, but I'll try. Okay, so take it. I'm taking very small steps. The August target is 46,000. Let's see will we what we will get. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye.